You file the almond structure, and it ends up looking like this. You're stuck with squaring errors, mainly due to poor file positioning when filing the sides and the skin. You might not be positioning it perfectly in the cuticle area, creating an inward tilt. You're not positioning the file well on the sides and tips, and it might look unbalanced and overfiled. Let's correct these mistakes. We need a legacy next file. Be careful how you place it. The flat part shouldn't touch the skin. It should be placed in the banana area. You must consider that the abrasive you use is perfectly structured so that the sides remain perfectly straight, like the legacy nail files, which are perfect for reaching super delicate areas and providing precision when working. Plus, its grit is resistant and durable. You can use it to perfect your filing technique, as they are perfectly made for preparation, structuring, and finishing. They are the best choice when choosing a quality abrasive. See how I managed to position them to give the angles of inclination I was looking for when filing this wonderful and commercial structure, achieving a determined technique with a file like this. And look how beautiful this structure turned out, perfectly clean. Put it here if you've already tried the legacy abrasives.